teacher.
Walaikum salam, bete. Everyone open the video of yours.
Welcome, teacher.
Walaikum salam, bete. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let all the students join the class. We will start it. To all of you, please open the video of yours and start giving the attendance, please.
Teacher, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Now, am I audible to all of you? I did not speak now, bete. Now, Parva, am I audible? Bete, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hamad, bete, do recitation.
Okay, miss. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Jazakallah, bete. Okay. Hamad, Air 5 Red, you already joined, but still the option is there. You are joining.
No, miss, I am joined.
Okay. Please, bete, open the videos. Okay. The last topic which we did, it was about conjunction. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
It was clear to all of you. Today we will be doing the topic which is related to that. ठीक है? It is related to that because for understanding conjunction more in a more proper manner, we have to do that as well. Fine. So we are doing the topic sentence and its kind today. I think you all have done as well. You all know it now. How many sentences do we have? How many sentences we have? Do let me know. Who will tell? How many types of sentences do we have? Ji Shamir. Shamir, speak up.
Teacher, I think 2.
No. Who will tell? No, don't give the guesses now. I want the authentic answer. Ji Wafa, beta, unmute yourself.
Teacher, please repeat the question.
How many types of sentences do we have?
Teacher, 3.
According to grammar.
Teacher, simple sentence. 3.
Ji.
Simple sentence, complex
Teacher,
sentence.
simple sentence,
Compound sentence.
and compound sentence.
One more we have.
Complex sentence. Complex compound.
Beta, look at that.
Complex
Simple is
compound.
fine. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex
Collective.
sentence, and compound plus complex. The fourth one. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sharing a screen. I want everyone to get it. All the examples. One by one, I'll be asking the question as well. Fine. If you did not understand, let me know by using Zoom option to raise the hand. Okay? Raise hand from Zoom option and ask the question. Okay, look at that. Okay. Are you all able to look at the screen? Okay. Look at that. In simple sentence, the ingredients are subject, verb, object, adverbial, complement. These all are the ingredients of a simple sentence. How many types of sentences do we have? 4 types. Fine. Look at this. Number 1, simple sentence. Number 2, compound sentence. Number 3, compound. Number 3, complex. And number 4, compound complex. Clear? 4. There are 4 types of sentences. Okay, look at that. In simple sentence, we can make in 7 different manner. How can we make? In 7 different manner. Okay, the first structure which we follow is that subject plus verb. It's simple sentence. We did not add any conjunction, anything in that. See, look at that, subject plus verb. She sings. Here she is subject. And what did she do? She sings. This is verb. Now look at that. The second structure, subject plus verb plus objects. She sings a song. What does she sing? She sings a song. Subject, verb, and object. The song is the object. Now look at the third. She sings nicely. Here nicely is a adverb. Subject plus verb plus objects. This is indirect and the other is the direct object. Fine. Okay. Subject plus verb plus object plus adverbial. She put the book. This is subject. What did she do? She put. What did she put? She put the book. Where did she put? She put it down. So this is, the down is adverbial over here. Now, subject plus verb plus complement. Look at that. She is subject, is verb, and beautiful is complement. It is describing more about subject. Who is beautiful? She is beautiful. Now subject plus verb plus object plus complement plus adverb. Look at that. He called me liar yesterday. So he is subject. Called is a verb. Me is object. And liar is complement. It is describing this object. And yesterday is adverb. So a simple sentence you can write in 7 different manners. Did you understand that? In how many manners we learned today? Do let me know how many manners we learned today. There are 7 manners. How many? There are 7 manners to write a simple sentence. Do you wish to ask any question? No. Do you know what is indirect or direct object? You did not ask about it. And you did not ask about the complement as well. Do you know what is a complement? Okay, Ali Ahmed wants to ask something. Come on. Ali Ahmed, unmute yourself.
टीचर आई वॉज लेट बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंटरनेट इशू. तो टीचर आपने क्या कहा था वो आप प्लीज मुझे समझा दें.
The same, the topic is still continued.
Conjunctions.
जी बेटे, sentence and its kind we are doing today.
Okay.
It is related to conjunction. ठीक है? जी बेटे, anyone wish to ask? परवा जी बेटे, unmute yourself. जी बेटे. You are not audible.
टीचर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Do let me know what you did not get it.
टीचर जब भी आप 7 manners पढ़ा रही थी वो समझ में नहीं आया.
A simple sentence we can write in 7 different manner. ठीक है? जब हम sentence बनाते हैं तो हम इनको 7 तरीकों से लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? Sometimes subject के साथ verb होता है. Sometimes subject के साथ object भी होता है, verb भी होता है, subject भी होता है. Sometimes adverb भी होता है, complement भी होता है. ठीक है?
ओके.
So, जैसे आप खाना पकाते हैं ना, खाने के ingredients होते हैं रेसिपी में क्या क्या लगता है? नमक लगता है, चीजें लगती हैं, सब्जी लगती है ना, जब जाके हमारा खाना बनता है. सेम लाइक दैट when we are making sentence we do need the structure to follow. तो ये क्या है? सेंटेंस के इंग्रेडिएंट्स है सारे. क्या है ये सारे? आप समझ लीजिए सेंटेंस की रेसिपी है. What are these?
Teacher, sentence of recipe.
The recipe of a sentence. What are these?
Recipe of a sentence.
Very good. So now again I'm sharing a screen. Look at the recipe. Simple sentence की जो recipe, look at that carefully. Number 1. Only we have added verb. The first recipe. जैसे चाय बनाने में दो तीन चीजें इस्तेमाल होती है ना, लेकिन बिरयानी में तो बहुत सारी लगती है ना. तो जब शॉर्ट सेंटेंस होता है तो शॉर्ट चीजें होती हैं. शॉर्ट रेसिपी होगी तो शॉर्ट चीजें होंगी, ठीक है ना. जब ओनली आप ड्रिंक बनाएंगे, यू आर मेकिंग जूस, यू विल बी इन नीड ऑफ 2 थिंग्स. बट लेकिन अगर कोई बहुत अच्छी बिरयानी बना रहे होंगे, यू विल बी नीड लाइक आपको मीट भी चाहिए होगा, आपको राइस भी चाहिए होगा, डिफरेंट थिंग्स यू विल बी इन नीड, है ना. सेम लाइक दैट सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप, ठीक है. और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस डू नीड अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर टू फॉलो, ठीक है. अब सबकी रेसिपी अलग अलग होती है, जैसे हर खाने की रेसिपी होती है ना, सेम लाइक दैट एवरी सेंटेंस हैज अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है. अब बिरयानी टी की जैसे तो नहीं बनेगी ना, इट हैज अ डिफरेंट रेसिपी, ठीक है ना. अब बिरयानी में आप चाय की पत्ती तो ऐड नहीं कर सकते ना, कर सकते हैं क्या? हाँ, डिड यू एवर ऐड सो? अब मुझे बताएं किसने बिरयानी में कभी टी भी ऐड की है? हो सकता है नहीं ना. सो सेम लाइक दैट every sentence follow a structure which we have to carefully look at it, ठीक है ना. और you have to observe as well. आपको grammatically जो आप structure follow कर रहे हैं ना, you have to be very careful about it, क्योंकि आपकी सिंगल मिस्टेक से पूरा सेंटेंस का ऑर्डर जो है ना, वो पूरा सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है. Am I clear? The whole sentence will be incorrect, ठीक है. फिर बिरयानी बदमजा हो जाएगी, नमक तेज हो गया, मसाला ज्यादा हो गया, खराब हो जाती है ना, फिर वो मजा नहीं आता खाने में. सेम लाइक दैट if you don't follow a structure in a sentence, a proper grammatical structure, so that sentence will be incorrect, ठीक है. फिर वो मजेदार नहीं रहता और वो ग्रामेटिकली प्रॉपर भी नहीं रहता, ठीक है ना. जी फरवा आज द क्वेश्चन बेटे, यू आर अनम्यूट. बेटे प्लीज ओपन द वीडियो. Aurelia, Farwa and Aisha Ilyas, otherwise I will remove you. जी बेटे, ask the question if you wish to ask, then I will move forward. Did you understand?
Yes.
Look at that. In a simple sentence, there are 7 manners. The first manner, subject plus only verb. ये समझे चाय थी, लेकिन आप समझ लीजिए आप मिल्क पी रहे हैं माइलो डाल के, ठीक है. Then subject plus verb plus object. यहाँ 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, तो ये इट्स अ टी, जिसमें चाय भी है, दूध भी है और पानी भी है, ठीक है. अब इंग्रेडिएंट्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, वो रेसिपी चेंज होती जा रही है, ठीक है. Look at that. Subject plus verb plus adverbial. अब देखें इसमें आप look at the sentence carefully. She is subject, sings is a verb, and a song is object. Look at that. Here I have mentioned the structure and here I have shown the example as well. Look at it. You have to practice this. Fine. Now, here in this sentence, I have added adverbial or adverb instead of object. Look at that. She sings. I didn't know what did she sing. I said she sings nicely. वो अच्छा गाती है और बेहतर गाती है, ठीक है. जी बेटे, unmute yourself. Hamad, unmute.
Miss, I want to share some sentence of
You share,
simple.
my dear. Yes.
She is going to market.
Very good. So in this sentence, which do tell the structure as well. What is she? What is? What is going to or market?
Subject is she,
Very good.
verb is going, and object is market.
Oh my dear, in this sentence, listen carefully. She is subject, is helping verb, going is ing form,
Verb.
ing verb. ठीक है ना? Now to market is adverbial in the sentence. It's not the object. ठीक है? Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now listen it carefully. Look at this
Okay.
structure. Subject plus verb plus two objects are here. Look at that. She give me. What did she give me? She give me a flower. उन्होंने किसको दिया? मुझे दिया. क्या दिया? Flower दिया. So here
Flower.
there are two objects. एक वो मुझे दे रही है. She is giving me. और क्या दे रही है? That is flower.
Flower.
मुझे कुछ फूल दिए. ठीक है? So in this sentence I have used two objects. ठीक है? Now look at this.
And flower.
Look at this example. She put the book down. What did she do? She put the book.
She put the book down.
ठीक है? अब उसने
उसने
क्या
book
रखा?
नीचे
She put.
रखी.
अब उसने क्या रखा? The book. अब book उसने कहाँ रखी? Down. So ये down
Down.
क्या है? Adverb in this sentence. ठीक है? Now look at this sentence. She is beautiful. अब beautiful कौन है?
She.
She. So this adjective beautiful is describing the subject. So ये क्या है? Subjective complement. ठीक है? Now look at
Subjective.
complement. एक होता है subjective complement, एक होता है objective. There are two types of complement. एक में हम we describe more about subject और other में we describe more about object. ठीक है? In this sentence, it is this complement describing the subject. ठीक है? Now look at the seventh sentence. He called me liar yesterday. So liar is the complement of this object. वो he called me liar. तो वो liar किसको कह रहा है? वो object को कह रहा है, mean मुझे. ठीक है? So ये complement objective complement है. ठीक है? Am I clear? और उसने मुझे कब कहा था? Yesterday. तो ये हमारा क्या है? Yesterday adverb है. Am I clear? So you have to focus the complete structure of a sentence when you are writing it. ठीक है? It should be properly punctuated and the structure you have to follow. वरना जो भी आप बना रहे होंगे ना खाना, especially girls, fine. Okay, I'll move forward. जी बेटे, who is raising hand? Shamir, ask the question, please.
Yes, teacher.
You wish to ask? You raise the hand, my dear.
टीचर वो गलती से मेरे पास अल्ट्रा प्लस वाई दब के जबकि
Okay, no issue. Ali Ahmed, you wish to ask? Alishma?
No, teacher.
Bete. Alishma, bete, you wish to ask?
टीचर मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेंटेंस समझ नहीं आया.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेंटेंस नहीं है, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. अब गोश्त जो होता है बिरयानी का हिस्सा होता है ना, बिरयानी तो नहीं होती. कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेंटेंस नहीं है. इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग मोर अबाउट सब्जेक्ट, आइदर सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है? वो सब्जेक्ट को और बयान कर रहा है. ठीक है? इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग मोर अबाउट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. एम आई क्लियर?
Okay.
ठीक है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेंटेंस नहीं होता, कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा होता, उसके बारे में और बता रहा होता. Parva, you wish to add something? Parva, bete. You raise the hand, my dear. I have to move forward. Quickly, bete, ask the question. Okay. Now I'm moving forward. Compound sentences, which we already did as well, but again I'm reminding you because in that we already had used the coordinating conjunction. We have done that. Okay, the first kind of conjunction is included in that. Look at that. The second type of sentence is compound sentence, As I told you, when we join two main clauses together, both are independent. Look at that. Here I have used coordinating conjunction. Look at that. He saw the lion. It's a complete sentence. यहाँ subject भी है, object भी है, और verb भी है. ठीक है? And this is and is coordinating conjunction. ठीक है? And look at that. He ran away. It's also a complete sentence. ठीक है बेटे? Both are independent. And I have joined these two sentences with this conjunction. ठीक है? So ये कौन sentence बना है? Which sentence it is? It's compound sentence. ठीक है? It's a compound sentence. Two sentences. Look at that. We can write in this manner as well. It will become two sentences. Here I did not join. They are two separate sentences. But now I have joined it. It become one now. ठीक है? With the help of the first type of conjunction which we use in this sentence. It is coordinating conjunction, A and D and, to create a compound sentence. Now look at that third type of sentence is a complex sentence. Fine, as I taught you as well. Look at this. When. This is subordinating conjunction. ठीक है ना? So here this subordinate conjunction is added to subordinating clause. Look at that. I see you smile is a dependent clause. It's subordinating because in that I have added subordinating conjunction. अब when के साथ जो clause है ये क्या dependent clause है. ठीक है? And it's added with a complete sentence with independent sentence. Clear? It's the third kind of sentence. Now, the fourth kind of sentence when we join compound complex together. ठीक है? Now look at this example. Look at this example. He saw the lion and he ran away as there had been no human on earth. Look at this. Here I have added coordinating conjunction as well and subordinating conjunction as well to create compound complex sentence. The person saw the lion, he ran away as there had been no human on earth. Fine. How many types of sentences do we have? Simple, which follows 7 different manners. Then second type is compound. In that we use coordinating conjunction. The third type of sentence is complex sentence. In that we use subordinating conjunction. And the fourth one is compound complex. In that we use both first and second type of conjunction. Ji Farma, you wish to add something? Yes, anyone wish to add something, Bete? So now you have to just, yes, Bete Alishba. Unmute yourself, Alishba, Bete.
टीचर मुझे कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस समझ नहीं आया.
बेटी ये तो हमने कंजक्शन में उस दिन किया था ना. You were present in the top. You were present ना. When we add coordinating conjunction in two independent and to join two independent sentence, I told you now. When we conjoin two independent sentence together to make it compound. ठीक है? जैसे आप and का यूज करते हैं और का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? but का यूज करते हैं. Am I clear?
Yes.
Beta Alishma, don't close your video, please. Don't switch off it. Be attentive. You are asking the question as well and you just switch off the camera as well, please. Don't do that. Or Elia, Farwa, Samir, Ahmed, who is that? I'm removing you. Sameer, this is the first class of yours. First time you are joining me. Ji bete Sameer, introduce yourself, my dear. Yes, the topic is ended. Anyone wish to ask any question, my dear? Or you will be sharing the example? Ji Umair.
I want to share Samir is new, not new. वो पुराने क्लास में भी हैं.
But first time he is joining the session, the Zoom session, first time he is joining. Chale, share the example. Wafa, unmute yourself. जी बेटे. Ask the question ना. या मुझे बिरयानी खिला रही हैं. Ask the question. चलें कोई बात नहीं, ज़ैफा खिला देंगे. क्यों ज़ैफा? Okay. चलिए share the examples. Your examples are biryani for me. You all should share sentences. Please do take part in the class. Parva bete, speak up, share sentences, please. Did you understand today's topic?
Yes.
अब मुझे example दीजिए, please.
Okay, teacher. Teacher of which sentence?
G, don't switch off the video.
Teacher of which sentence?
Simple sentence.
Simple sentence.
G, bete. So many students want to share. Bete, quickly share, my dear Farwa. Farwa, your sentence, please. Yes, Wafa, speak up.
My mother goes to market.
Now tell the structure.
Mother is object. Market is
No, my mother. na
no.
bete,
Mother is noun
subject.
and
No, my mother is
subject.
subject.
Mother is subject. Market is place and goes is verb.
Very good. My mother goes to market. Look at the sentence. My mother is the noun. Very good. And it is subject over here. Fine. What did she do? She goes. Where did she go? She goes to market. The goes is a verb. To is a preposition. And where did she go? Market. So this is adverbial over here. Fine, dear. Now, Ma, share the sentence. I want you to share the complete structure, my dear.
Yes,
G, Hamma.
She is afraid because she saw the ghost.
Very good. Which sentence it is?
It is
Ahmad, which sentence it is?
compound sentence.
No, it's a complex sentence. Because is a subordinating conjunction. ठीक है? Because coordinating नहीं है. Because
Yes.
coordination नहीं कर रहा. Because subordinate clause add कर रहा है. ठीक है? I told you ना, carefully you have to look at the structure. जो sentence बना रहे हैं, you should watch it carefully. जी बेटे. Now Zainab, share it बेटे.
She reads a book.
Very good. Share the structure.
She is subject. Verb is read. Read is verb. Or book is object.
Very good. A book is object. O is article over there. ठीक है ना? A determiner you can say. How many books she reads? One book. Okay. G Farma, you raised the hand, but you did not ask anything. our time limit is about to end, only 2 minutes. Aurelia bete, open the video of yours and
Miss,
share the
1
example.
minute. Miss, 1 minute is left.
G. Come on, Aurelia bete, share the example. Hasif, you did not open video of yours. Please open it. I want everyone to take part in the class, please.
Teacher, wait a second. I'm opening my camera.
Time will be, beta, time is moving. It won't wait for anyone. Time wait for
time?
ठीक है ना?
The time was end.
See, that's why I'm saying.
4:30.
Okay, listen it carefully, my dear students. All the grammar topic we did, it was the last topic which we are doing. Okay? Now only writing topics are left. Okay? If you still have any problem, any confusion, you can ask in WhatsApp over here and through university as well. Try to practice more and more because Thursday and Friday I'll be taking your assessment. Ji bete, Aisha, you wish to share an example, bete? Share example, Aisha, bete.
She sings very beautifully.
She sings beautifully. Okay, very nice. Yes, Samir Ahmed, first time you joined the class and did not introduce yourself. बस टीचर कटती हैं आपसे. Okay, anyone else? Be attentive, everyone, please. Okay, for thumbs up sign that you all have understand and got the topic, please. Show a thumbs up sign. Everyone should do so, na? You did not understand the topic, Aurelia, bete. You did not understand the topic. Question mark. Okay. You don't want to share something, bete? Very good, Ahmed Afzal. Kenneth, bete, did you understand? Have you understood, bete? Did you understand that? Samir again left, again joining. Okay. Ji Hasib, you understand this topic? Why you are confused here? Smile करके बोलें सर हंस लें. Okay. ठीक है, I'm ending the class, everyone. Take good care of yourself. And Samir, when you join class, better join on time. ठीक है? Okay, introduce yourself. I'm taking 1 minute. Samir wish to introduce himself. Samir, introduce.
Teacher, my name is Samir Ahmed.
Okay, and first time you are taking my session, na?
Yes.
Oh, now you have to join regularly, ठीक है? अब कोई छुट्टी.
Okay, teacher.
Very good. I'm very happy that you joined me, ठीक है? Now teacher wants to see you daily. जियो मैं
Okay.
मुझे आपको सीक्रेट पता है?
बताएं
ये
आप.
आगे हमारे कजन है ना, समीर भी इनका कजन है.
Oh wow.
तीन कजन एक ही क्लास में.
अच्छा जी.
जब भी अगर इन सबको साथ बिठा देना, ये लोग लिटरली बहुत बातें करेंगे.
Oh. कोई मसला नहीं है.
मुझे 2-3 बार ऐसा हो चुका है. आज अम्माद को मैं सवेरा ज्यादातर अलग ही बिठा देती हूँ.
Okay, bete. Take good care of yourself, everyone. The time is ended now. Allah